Hello friends on YouTube, welcome to another video. Today we are going to measure the airflow of different PS5 Slim fans. And this PS5 Slim is new, maybe 1 hour played, and it has a Foxconn fan inside. And I have here a Delta and a NMB fan ordered from AliExpress. I will put links in the description. And today I want to check the airflows of the Foxconn and then compare them to this one in game and in menu. And yeah, I'm missing the Nidec fan, but still I think we can find out something today. So let me quickly get this PlayStation 5 ready and unpack these fans too, and then we can start measuring the airflow and also maybe check the wattage after 10 minutes in game, if there is a big difference in wattage. Okay, let's start directly with the Foxconn fan that's inside. Okay, PS5 is now running with the Foxconn fan at around 50 watts. And here we have the two fans. This is the NMB and this is the Delta. And I don't know if this is normal, maybe you can tell me, but this hole here looks a bit different. And there was a sticker on. I didn't remove it, but the other ones are all the same, except this one. We will see if this fits inside. So let's run this thing for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so in a game, after playroom, and check. So I still didn't connect this one to the internet. And let's see now. 67 watts. Let's run the game. I will mute it. When you press longer here on this button, you can mute everything, and short press will deactivate the microphone. Okay, now I can hear the fan a bit. Let's press continue. Okay, I will let it sit in this position for 10 minutes. Now we're at around 10 minutes in. Ambient temperature is 24 degrees Celsius and it's at 209.6. That's the max what I saw. Now it's maybe going to 210. Okay, so I will quickly remove this panel and then we can measure. Panel is removed and I saw already 210, and I'm not sure if removing this panel on the Slim is actually helping, because it's letting a lot of air inside, I think, anyway. So let's put this on. .5, okay. Let's go in menu. So game is still open. We have of course around 100 watts. And let's close the game quickly. Okay. Game is closed. Let's see if we can measure it. .3, 0.4. The fan is out. This is the one that was inside. Let's see if we can put in this one. And I think this will spin faster and be loud like the last one. Yeah, let's find out. Delta fan is inside. Also the sticker, all screws are in. And I'm going to remove the put the plate back on and turn it on. Same position. 198, 200. Sounds a bit like it's rattling a bit. Foxconn is definitely more silent. But let's wait a few minutes and see. Okay, 10 minutes in with a Delta fan, and it's lower by maybe 3 watts. So as expected, this one cools a bit better. And let's remove this plate and check the airflow. Okay, 1.6, 1.7. Close the game. In menu they're about the same. And my RPM meter, it is not working. I don't know why. Otherwise I could measure the RPM. So maybe in another video. Okay, let's get the third one, the NMB, and can't wait to hear the NMB. A lot of guys say that it's really loud, and we'll find out. So for sure the Foxconn is more silent than this one. The third fan is inside, NMB, and let's turn it on, go into the game. Okay, I can hear it. Let's wait a few minutes and see. This fan doesn't sound good. It's maybe 6 minutes in, something like that. And let me check quickly. 210.4, it's increasing. And this fan doesn't sound good at all. Still in game, as you can see. And it got to 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's check now. .6. Okay. Yeah, but the sound is really not good. Let's check in menu. Okay, in menu. .4.